Most people pay credit card annual fees without ever asking one simple question. Is it actually worth it? And here's the truth no one tells you. A high annual fee does not automatically mean a better credit card. And a free card is not always the smarter choice either. In this video, you'll learn when an annual fee credit card is worth it in 2026, when it is not, and how to decide based on real value instead of marketing hype. Let's get straight into it. An annual fee is a yearly charge you pay just to keep the credit card active. Some cards have zero fees, while others can charge a small amount, or even a high premium fee. For example, Alex in Mumbai might see a card charging 1,000 rupees per year, while a premium travel card might charge much more. Now here's where it gets interesting. The fee itself is not the real issue. The value you get from the card is what matters. But here's the problem. Most people only look at rewards like cashback or points and ignore whether they actually use them. That is where they lose money. Now, let's break it down simply. A credit card with an annual fee is worth it if the benefits you actually use are higher than the fee you pay. For example, if Jake in the US pays a $95 annual fee but gets free lounge access, travel rewards, and cashback worth more than that, the card is worth keeping. But if you are not using those benefits, you are basically paying for features you never touch. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Banks design premium cards to look attractive, but many users do not match the spending pattern needed to maximize them. That is why so many people pay fees and still feel they are losing money. So how do you decide? First, calculate your real usage. Ask yourself how often you use rewards like cashback, travel points, dining offers, or lounge access. If the answer is rarely, a no annual fee card is usually better. Second, compare the fee with realistic benefits, not advertised benefits. If a card promises high rewards but you only spend small amounts monthly, you will not reach those reward levels. Third, check if there is a fee waiver condition. Some cards remove the annual fee if you spend a certain amount each year. For John, this can make a paid card effectively free if he uses it regularly. But here's the key insight most people miss. A credit card should fit your lifestyle, not change your lifestyle just to justify the fee. So to wrap it up, an annual fee credit card is worth it only if you actively use its benefits and get more value than you pay. Otherwise, a free card is the smarter financial choice. If you understand this, you stop paying for hype and start choosing cards that actually work for you. If this helped you, like the video, comment your country so I can break down specific card strategies, and subscribe for more simple finance guides that help you make smarter money decisions every day.